So for static GK, I love to use this all. Yeah, and for banking awareness, I use this Bankers Data for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you all the sources and the books which I use for SBI PO 2022. So before proceeding further, please do like and subscribe my channel. So I would like to start with quant and reasoning. So for quant and reasoning, I refer Ada 247 videos and their vlogs. Like, it's the best channel that you can refer for SBI PO, any of the banking examination things. So it's very useful and it's very elaborative, which I found out. So I prefer Ada 247 for quant and reasoning. Apart from Ada 247 for quant, I also use this book called as Quantitative Aptitude for Competitive Examinations, which is Dr. R.S. Agarwal book. Reasoning, I especially use this Ada 247 YouTube channel, and also their this website where I can take the mock test, and which also has these ebooks. So before proceeding, I'm pretty much familiar with English, so I take lesser time to complete English rather than quant and reasoning. So I have segregated into certain parts. For grammar, I use this 120 rules by Nimisha ma'am videos, and they also have PDF and all those things. And the way she teaches the grammar, I think it's absolutely good and it's very understandable. So yeah, I follow Nimisha ma'am for 120 rules of grammar. And then for foundation classes, Ada 247 for English. So you can search it as Ada 247 English foundation classes to get this thing, and I think it's good. I have listened like 1 to 2 lectures. It's pretty good. I found it very useful. And the next thing, okay, I'll search it over here. So the next thing I prefer is this Learn Vocab with the root words, which is from textbook, and it gives me an idea of the words, like what is the root word of them and what is the meaning of them, so that I can easily identify what is the meaning of what word and all those stuff. So yeah, it's pretty good, and I think there are some 5 to 6 parts, so you can go through them. Each and every word is being explained within picture, which is very, very good, and it's easily understood. I mean, you can grasp it very easily. Like we say that picture speaks a lot rather than words. So yeah, you can easily capture the words and their meaning. So it's very good to improve your vocabulary. Like if you're a beginner, then I think you can go with it, because there are few words. Like if you know the root word, then you can figure it out the meaning of the other words, like within a span of seconds. So I think this Learn Vocab with Root Words textbook, I find it very, very useful. And the book that I use for English is The Word Power Made Easy, and it's absolutely very, very interesting, and it's very, very calming to do that vocabulary sessions and all. And I think you need to definitely try out this book. I got this book at a discount. Actually, the price is around 175, but I got it at a rate of 95 in Amazon. If I get the link, I would provide it in the description below. Activities which you can perform the book, and I think like these sessions where you can write what is the meaning, like did you understand the things what you have learned. And there are some few of the practice sessions, and I would love to give you the elaborate of this book in another video. Yeah, and for banking awareness, I use this Bankers 247. Like, they have the list of topics which needs to be covered in the banking awareness. You can either refer to the YouTube videos, or you can just go to the website or to their blog and just click it on the links that they have provided, and it gives you the brief thing about the banking. And I especially love this thing so that I can write it down as notes, which makes me to understand better rather than just reading it out and listening. So I think this banking awareness of ADA 247 is very, very good. So for static GK, I love to use this olive board thing. So you can just sign in the olive board and go to this free ebook sections, and under this go to this general awareness and select the category, which is the bank, and get the static GK PDFs. Like there are around 91, and like you get MCQs. Then list, like if you want to see these important sections, just click on that and the PDFs get downloaded. Yeah, and you can just go through it anytime you want, like anywhere. Yeah, so for current affairs, I use this Career Power. Since I haven't started with current affairs, but when I tried searching for the current affairs capsule, like for the monthly capsule, I found Career Power as the best one. So just you have these PDFs of from Jan to November and so on. So you can just click on, if you're comfortable in English, you can just click on English. If you're comfortable in Hindi, you can click in Hindi as well.